I have held a surgical scalpel for over 45 years and performed thousands of knee replacements. But my biggest regret is that patients often find me too late. Before we begin today, I want you to honestly evaluate the strength of your legs on a scale from 1 to 10 in the comments below. Many people believe that once cartilage is impacted, it is gone forever, leading them toward the thought of expensive surgery. But what if I told you that your body has a natural capacity to maintain itself when provided with the correct biological signals and essential nutrients? Today, Prime Year's Health will reveal 5 specific seeds that possess the potential to support your joint health and help maintain cartilage naturally. These seeds are nature's traditional support, and the science behind them is a powerful alternative to many expensive processed options. Stay with me until the end, because I will share a 21-day approach to incorporating these into your life for optimal joint support. Number 5 on our list is the flaxseed, a tiny powerhouse that acts as a sophisticated biological support for your aging joints. Flax seeds are more than just food. They are structural supporters. With high ALA content, they help manage the enzymes that can affect your natural collagen. This seed helps create a protective environment around your joints, assisting in managing the daily discomfort you may feel. Here is a golden tip. You should grind flax seeds right before eating. This ensures your body utilizes the maximum amount of the active supportive compounds. In terms of supporting the synovial membrane, these seeds are excellent compared to many common fats found in the standard diet. By supporting this membrane, you help ensure that your cartilage remains nourished, staying as supple and resilient as possible. Integrating flax seeds into your breakfast is a great first step towards supporting joint comfort and managing morning stiffness. Moving to number 4, sesame seeds. These are not just toppings. They provide essential biological support for your entire skeletal and joint framework. Many people think dairy is the only source of calcium, but 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds contains a significant amount of this vital mineral. More importantly, sesame contains sesamin, a unique compound that helps manage the enzymes associated with the natural wear of joint cartilage. For those over 65, sesame acts as a natural supporter, helping to reinforce the bone density right beneath the cartilage for better support. When your bones are well supported, your joints can function more efficiently. Sesame provides that internal foundation to help you stay active. Adding these to your daily meals is like providing internal strength to your skeleton, helping to manage the natural changes of aging. Consider the concentrated power of these seeds to support your body from the inside out as part of a balanced lifestyle. At position number 3, we have pumpkin seeds. These are a key to providing magnesium and the amino acid leucine. Why do joints often feel uncomfortable? Sometimes, it is because the muscles around the joint need more support to manage body weight. Pumpkin seeds are rich in leucine and magnesium, a pair that supports the maintenance of muscle mass that protects your joints. Magnesium also helps relax the muscles, managing the tension that can sometimes impact joint comfort during the night. I recommend enjoying these after light activity. This is when your muscles are most receptive to these specific supportive nutrients. A healthy joint is aided by a strong muscular scaffold. Supporting the surrounding tissue helps manage the pressure of daily movement. By supporting the surrounding tissue, pumpkin seeds help manage the mechanical stress on your joints, providing longevity and comfort. I have seen many individuals maintain their mobility by focusing on these 2 elements: muscle support and mineral density through proper nutrition. Number 2 is the incredible chia seed. Think of these as a natural way to support hydration for your body's moving parts. Maintaining joint hydration is a priority for many seniors. Chia seeds can hold significant water, creating a supportive biological gel. This natural property helps support the joint fluid, managing the grinding sensation that can occur when joints feel dry. It functions as a plant-based way to support the cushioning in your system, providing a pure form of nutrition for your cells. When your joints are well hydrated, friction is managed, allowing the cartilage a better environment for natural maintenance. Hydration at a cellular level is a secret to staying flexible. Chia seeds provide the hydration your tissues seek to remain resilient. Don't let your joints lose their natural moisture. Use the power of chia to support the ease of movement you value. This is one of the simplest habits you can adopt, yet its impact on your daily comfort can be very noticeable. And finally, at number 1, the walnut. I value this as a premier seed for its ability to support natural cellular maintenance. The bioactive polyphenols found in walnuts have a unique ability to support the natural environment within your joint's cartilage. Walnuts help provide the body with what it needs to maintain its structures. This is support at a foundational level. The supportive effect of walnuts is a highly researched area, offering a natural alternative to many standard joint supplements. When you incorporate them correctly, you're providing your body with a key to joint maintenance and managing inflammation. Just a few walnuts a day can support the biological environment of your knees, helping them feel more stable and comfortable. This is excellent nutrition for anyone who wants to stay active. It is highly regarded in the field of natural wellness for a reason. Now, let's look at the 21-day golden formula. We can combine these seeds into a simple, daily routine for effective support. Your morning can start with chia seeds for hydration. At lunch, enjoy pumpkin seeds for muscle support. Your day can include the supportive power of walnuts. For an extra benefit, enjoy these seeds with a little healthy fat, like olive oil. This can help increase the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. I have seen many people find great success in supporting their mobility through this natural nutritional path. Please, do not wait until discomfort limits your life. You have the opportunity to support your health right now. Your wellness is influenced by your choices in the kitchen. Start this journey today and notice the support in your very next step. If you found this information valuable, share it with a friend who is also focused on joint comfort. Let's support wellness together. I wish you many years of staying active and strong. Thank you for watching Prime Years Health, and stay healthy, always. Remember, consistency is the most important factor. Biological maintenance takes time, but it is effective if you remain diligent. Give your body 3 weeks of these 5 seeds as part of a balanced diet. You may be surprised at how much better your movement feels. Food is a powerful tool for wellness. These seeds are concentrated sources of nutrition designed by nature to support your body. The goal is independence and the freedom to move without hesitation, living your life to the fullest. Your collagen is a foundation of your movement. Support that foundation every day with these seeds for long-term health. I will continue to share insights from my years of experience with you. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any helpful advice. Life is meant to be lived in motion. Don't let joint concerns steal your precious moments with your family and loved ones. Flax, sesame, pumpkin, chia, and walnut. These are 5 excellent guardians for your pantry. Use them consistently. I follow these principles myself, and I feel the benefits in my own activity levels. You can achieve this same sense of comfort. Your golden years should be spent exploring the world and enjoying your hobbies with a sense of physical freedom. Hydrate, reinforce, strengthen, lubricate, and maintain. These are the 5 pillars of the seed protocol I have shared with you today. I am here to guide you. Follow the plan, listen to your body, and let natural nutrition support your cartilage and joints. There is a wonderful feeling in moving with ease. It is a gift you can give yourself, starting with your very next meal. Always remember to stay well hydrated alongside these seeds. It helps the fiber and nutrients work effectively in your system. My mission is to see more people staying active and enjoying their lives. That is the true success of health guidance. You have the power to support your own vitality. Just as a seed grows strong, your joints can be supported for long-term health. Thank you for trusting me with your wellness journey. I look forward to hearing about your progress in the comments very soon. Stay strong, stay active, and stay focused on your body's amazing ability to maintain itself when given the right tools. Every small choice you make today builds the foundation for your mobility tomorrow. Choose these powerful seeds for your joints. See you in the next video for more secrets from years of experience in joint health. Goodbye for now, and take care.